If you've ever downloaded a file in Mozilla Firefox and then couldn't find it again, this video is going to help you out. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to find and manage your downloaded files in Firefox, how to open the downloads list, how to see your full download history, and how to quickly show a file in its folder, delete it, or remove it from your history. This is a simple but really useful Firefox tip, especially if you download documents, images, videos, or software often. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. This is the three-line menu icon that gives you access to a lot of Firefox features and settings. From the menu, click Downloads. The Downloads panel will open, and this is where you can see your downloaded files history. Firefox keeps track of your recent downloads here, so if you downloaded something earlier and want to find it again, this is the first place to check. You'll usually see the file name, the download status, and the option to interact with it. If you want to open the file's location on your computer, right-click on the downloaded file and then click Show in Folder. This is very helpful when you know the file was downloaded, but you need to know exactly where it was saved. Firefox will open your file manager and highlight the file in its folder so you can access it right away. If you no longer need the downloaded file on your computer, you can also delete it. To do that, right-click the file in the downloads list and click Delete. This removes the file from your device, which is useful if you want to clear space or get rid of files you don't need anymore. If you want to keep the file on your computer but remove it from the Firefox downloads list, right-click it and choose Remove from History. This clears the entry from your download history without deleting the actual file itself. That's a really important difference to remember. Delete removes the file from your computer, while Remove from History only hides it from the Firefox downloads list. So whether you're trying to find a file, clean up your downloads, or manage your browser history, Firefox gives you quick and easy options right inside the downloads menu. And that's how you find and manage downloaded files in Mozilla Firefox. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear, step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.